Hi everyone, today we want to share with you some great reviews a valued customer left for us. It makes us really proud to know that you're satisfied with our service, and it's really encouraging for us to know that our job is so greatly appreciated. Customer satisfaction is our #1 concern, and receiving feedback from our clients really helps us improve our business. So we want to invite you to call us today and share your experience about the quality of our work. And if you know us already, feel free to leave your review anytime. We appreciate all opinions and comments.